Want to attract customers but feel lost creating a lead magnet? What if you could generate a polished guide in minutes using AI? Creating a lead magnet can feel intimidating, but AI makes it easy. Here is the exact prompt I type. Feel free to pause if you want to copy it. In seconds, ChatGPT produces a complete guide with a title, clear sections, and actionable tips. You can drop this into Google Docs or Canva, add your branding, and you've got a professional looking PDF without spending hours designing or writing. But a lead magnet alone won't grow your business. You need a system to turn it into an actual revenue stream. That's what the AI Business Builder Challenge teaches. Across 5 beginner-friendly episodes, it shows you how to organize AI-created content, capture leads, and convert them into paying customers. No tech overwhelm, no guesswork. I've linked the challenge in the description so you can check it out. Along with the episodes, you also get bonuses like the one-on-one AI strategy call and the copy and paste database of tested AI prompts to speed up your creation process. Stop stressing over lead magnets, let AI create them, and let the AI Business Builder Challenge show you how to turn them into a business setup that actually generates revenue. It is less than $20 and the links in the description waiting for you.